Top 20 things to know about time. 1. Definition. Time is a continuous sequence of events that occur in an irreversible succession from the past through the present to the future. 2. Measurement. Time is measured using various units, including seconds, minutes, hours, days, and years. The most common unit, the second, is the base unit of time in the International System of Units, SI. 3. Clocks and calendars. Humans have developed tools such as clocks for hours, minutes, seconds, and calendars for days, months, and years. 4. Time zones. The Earth is divided into 24 time zones, each covering 15 degrees of longitude. Time zones account for the Earth's rotation and position relative to the Sun. 5. The speed of light. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time is not absolute and can be affected by speed. Time slows down the closer one moves to the speed of light, known as time dilation. 6. General relativity. Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity also explains that time is influenced by gravity. The stronger the gravitational field, e.g. near a massive object, the slower time passes. 7. Space-time. Time is intertwined with space to form a four-dimensional fabric called space-time. Events that happen in the universe are described within this space-time framework. 8. Time dilation in space. Astronauts experience time differently due to both speed and weaker gravity. Time passes more slowly for them compared to people on Earth. This effect has been confirmed through experiments. 9. Atomic clocks. The most accurate timekeeping devices are atomic clocks, which measure time based on the vibrations of atoms, particularly cesium atoms. These clocks are used for GPS systems and scientific research. 10. Entropy in time's arrow. The concept of time's arrow refers to the direction of time's flow, always moving from the past to the future. This is linked to entropy, the measure of disorder in a system, which always increases over time according to the second law of thermodynamics. 11. Historical timekeeping. Ancient civilizations used the movement of celestial bodies, like the sun and stars, to keep track of time. Sundials, water clocks, and later mechanical clocks were early timekeeping tools. 12. Leap year. A leap year occurs every 4 years to account for the fact that Earth's orbit around the Sun takes approximately 365.24 days. The extra day is added to the month of February. 13. Perception of time. Human perception of time can vary. Time may seem to pass quickly when we are engaged in enjoyable activities and slowly during boredom or distress. Psychological factors strongly influence our experience of time. Number 14. Cosmic time. Time has been flowing since the Big Bang, about 13.8 billion years ago, marking the beginning of the universe and time as we know it. 15. Planck time. The smallest measurable unit of time is Planck time, about 10 to 43 seconds. Below this scale, the classical understanding of time breaks down. 16. Biological clocks. All living organisms have internal biological clocks, known as circadian rhythms, that regulate sleep, feeding, and other bodily functions based on the 24-hour day cycle. 17. Time in quantum mechanics. In the quantum world, time operates differently. For instance, quantum particles can be in multiple states simultaneously, a phenomenon that challenges classical concepts of time. 18. Time travel. Though popular in science fiction, actual time travel remains speculative. General relativity allows for the possibility of time dilation and theoretical concepts like wormholes, but practical time travel to the past or future is currently beyond reach. 19. Universal time. Coordinated Universal Time, UTC, is the standard by which the world regulates clocks and time. It is based on atomic time and is adjusted with leap seconds to match the Earth's irregular rotation. 20. Aging in time. Our experience of time changes as we age. Studies show that as people grow older, they perceive time as passing faster. Neurological and psychological factors contribute to this altered sense of time. Top 10 interesting facts about time. 1. Time slows near massive objects. Einstein's theory of general relativity shows that time slows down in stronger gravitational fields. For example, time runs slower at the surface of the Earth than it does in outer space. 2. Time dilation. Proven by GPS. GPS satellites orbiting Earth experience time dilation due to both their speed and their distance from Earth's gravitational field. This effect must be corrected to maintain accurate GPS positioning on Earth. 3. Time travel to the future. According to Einstein's relativity, time travel to the future is theoretically possible. A person traveling near the speed of light would age slower than those on Earth, effectively traveling into the future. 4. Day length changes. The length of Earth's day is gradually increasing. Tidal interactions with the moon are slowing Earth's rotation, making days longer by about 1.7 milliseconds per century. 5. Time in black holes. Near a black hole, time slows down drastically. In theory, if you were to fall into a black hole, time for you would seem to stop relative to an outside observer. 6. Simultaneity. According to relativity, events that occur simultaneously from one point of view might not be simultaneous from another viewpoint, traveling at a different speed or in a different gravitational field. 7. Leap seconds. Occasionally, a second is added to or subtracted from UTC to synchronize atomic time with Earth's rotation. These leap seconds correct for irregularities in Earth's spin. 8. Age of the universe. The universe is approximately 13.8 billion years old, according to data from the cosmic microwave background radiation and the expansion of the universe. 9. Twin paradox. In this famous thought experiment, a twin traveling at nearly the speed of light would age more slowly than their twin who remained on Earth, experiencing less passage of time. 10. Cultural differences. Different cultures perceive time differently. In Western cultures, time is often seen as linear and strictly scheduled, while in many Eastern and indigenous cultures, time can be more cyclical and fluid. Time is a fundamental aspect of existence, shaping everything from the universe's beginning to our everyday lives.